Hey guys, we're back. And we're having a chug.
Pepsi?
Yeah, and we're doing a chug and burp contest.
Yeah.
In our early...
God dang it, you freaking locust! Shut up! This isn't Gears of War.
Well, we're going to have a chug and burp contest. The first one to chug it all down first wins. And the one with the loudest burp wins.
Yeah, loudest burp wins. But this is going to suck because it's really fizzy, so it burns.
Okay. So, ready?
3, 2, 1.
Ow. Oh my gosh, that hurts. I win.
I still got like half of my soda left.
Woo! Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, I threw up a little bit. Yeah, I threw up a little bit. I threw up a little bit. Okay, who do you think won?
Oh crap.
I think I won. Oh well, leave it.
Time.
Whatever.
Well, whatever.
Leave it in the comments.
Yeah, leave it in the comments below.
Of who you think
Or in
won.
my ball sack.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Whatever. Leave a comment in the comment in the comment section below and tell us who you think won. Me, Ryan, or apparently Ryan's ball sack.
Hey, my ball sack won for sure. You know that, buddy.
But it hasn't burped yet.
Who cares? There's a little
Bye-bye.
bug. And see you later.